ಮಂಡಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಏಷ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಸ್ಕೈವಾಕರ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಕ್ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಯೆನೆಪೋಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮುಹಮ್ಮದ್ ತಾಹಿರ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ತರುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾಗುವ ಹೊಸ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತ್ವರಿತವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಸ್ಕೈವಾಕರ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮೊದಲಿಗರಾಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
We at Yenepoya Specialty Hospital believes in acquiring new technology, so that the quality of healthcare given to our patients is achieved. But in order to achieve this, just acquiring technology doesn't help. We also need to partner with a doctor who also thinks in the same lines and then is willing to push his boundaries all the time. Now, our journey in orthopedics with Dr. Deepak Rai started, say, 25 years back. At that time, we were one of the first centers to have started joint replacement surgery way back in 25 years back. Starting from there, we moved into navigation, precision joint surgery in 2016, and then we moved on to robotic surgery in 2023. And now today we are here, we are moving on to a still higher platform, that is the medial pivot knee replacement surgery robotic platform. Now in the last 2 years, since we started in 2023, we have completed almost 500 surgeries, robotic surgeries. This tells us that the public is also willing to accept such new technologies. Now, considering the fact that it is led by a single consultant, it's a phenomenal work.
ಯೆನೆಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂಡಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ರೈ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಭಾರತದ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಕೈವಾಕರ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿಯನ್ನು ಯೆನೆಪೋಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕೈವಾಕರ್ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯು ಮಂಡಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ವೇಳೆ ಮಂಡಿಯ ಮರುನಿರ್ಮಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೂ ಲಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದತ್ತಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮೀಡಿಯಲ್ ಪೈವೋಟ್ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವು ಈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು, ಅದು ಮಂಡಿಯ ಸಹಜ ಚಲನೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ನಿಖರತೆಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
We are launching the first South Asia's medial pivot SkyWalker robotic system. Now this is one of a kind. Now the medial pivot knee is a knee which is very unique in the sense that it gives you a perfect balance for the patient based on his anatomic alignment, which is called as a kinematic alignment or even functional alignment. And based on that, all the data which we get is fed into the robot, and the robot will be able to give you a personalized implant positioning for each and every patient. This is totally unique. It's totally different from a regular total knee which is being done, wherein most of the implants are still based out of the early 2000s, and the medial pivot, which has got a 25 years experience and a longevity of almost 98.5%, the highest across any joint systems. A forgotten score of almost 80%, you would not get that. It means that a person who has been implanted with the knee feels that it is so normal that he forgets that he has had a knee replacement done. And as far as that, the patient satisfaction goes almost up to 95%. In such situations, we decided to move forward from the regular knee replacements, from the regular robotic surgeries which we were doing, and acquire this new system into our armamentarium. At Yenepoya, we believe that we should give the best to our patients at an affordable cost, and we have not changed the cost of whatever we have been charging. It is still the same, and we are passing on the benefits to the patients, and as a result of which, I've also noticed that ever since I've started using the medial pivot, the patient's functional outcome is far better, the pain scores are far less, they are much more comfortable, and most of the patients, by the time they come in for suture removal, they're literally walking quite normally. So this is a game changer, no doubt, and we are really happy and proud to say that our chairman here invests in the newer systems, invests in technology, backed up by whatever data is provided. So I'm happy that we are introducing the SkyWalker system, medial pivot knee, which is the most natural knee to be got implant to available in the market.
ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಮತ್ತು ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮುಖೇಶ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Anatomical parameters of the patient. If you see, this is the original CT where our surgeon does the planning. He do the planning of the implant sizing, positioning based on the exact customized patient's bone, the kind of size as well as the stature of the patient. And based on that CT, he creates a 3D model where then he actually marries 3D model to the actual bone of the patient. So once he opens the patient knee, then he actually registers the patient knee with the 3D model, and then whatever the doctor has planned, you see this how the robot arm will move like this based on the planning what surgeon has done pre-operatively. So after the planning, after the registration, so the robot arm comes into the position and then placed by himself, by arm by himself itself. So therefore surgeon take a cut through the cutting block. This is how it is. And as I said, this is advanced technology. The reason is this is the first ever robotic which has been paired with medial pivot.
ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಕಾವೂರು, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.